So guys, welcome back to another episode of Keeping Up with the Cannon Run, and this week, to start the week, we are here at Gwynnsarney Hall on the Cheshire border. The guys here that own the stately home are putting together a car show, an incredible event full to the brim of classics, historics, supercars and much more. Let me show you around. Gwynnsarney Hall is a historic Grade 2 listed mansion in Cheshire with roots to the Domesday Book, known for its long family ownership over 450 years. A significant Civil War siege by Oliver Cromwell's Roundheads in 1645 left cannonball marks all over the building. The present hall was built in 1603 and additions have been made over centuries. It's a famous, well-preserved history connection to the Davis Cook family. It has 450 public parking spaces and over 300 show vehicle spaces in the main paddock. So guys, we're back at HQ and the meeting with the Manor House for Cheshire Automotive Pageant was incredible. What a show that is going to be, and we're very proud to have been invited and to have been involved with this prestigious upcoming event. But for now, we're back at HQ. We've got some stuff to do on some cars, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're up to over the next few days. Hopefully Friday, the special car that I mentioned last week, the Italian masterpiece of engineering, may be coming off this week. So fingers crossed. But for now, let me just show you what we're up to today. So the Escort that we bought last week is up on the ramp, ready for a few little bits and pieces. What a stunning car, look at it. Cannot beat an old classic Ford, especially sat on Cosworth rims. And that's our SL500. Rude Benz in London supplied the wheels for us. It's a genuine SL500 V8. Absolutely timeless machine. Incredible engineering for the year it was made. The car's over 30 years old. Wags is active. He's getting some cleaning on the go because the car's covered in dust. How you getting on, Wags? Mega. But yeah, let me just show you around this masterpiece. Whilst Wags is active, cleaning the cars, we've got to go and pick a lorry up and bring the lorry back to HQ, ready for a job this afternoon. So that's the boring stuff. But the exciting stuff for this week is going to be the Bentley coming back to HQ, which means we can fit the kit and the wheels. It means our supercar that we've chosen to use for Cannon Run this year is going to be in for wheels, which we're going to show you this week as well, the car itself, because you've not seen that. And as I just said, the special car may be landing this week if we can agree the deal. So fingers crossed, because that one is exciting. So guys, it's time to introduce my new car for the Cannon Run 2026 season. Now, as you all know, I've driven many vehicles on the Cannon Run trips. Last year I took the 6x6 to Ireland and on the Mega Run. I'll insert a clip here for you because it was absolutely mental. The year before that I took my Aventador, and the year before that I attempted to take my McLaren, but it kept breaking down, as you all know. Through many years of lessons, I've narrowed it down to a Lamborghini Huracan. They're great value for money, so I'm not too worried about putting loads of miles on it for the Cannon Run season. They're a very pretty car. This is a convertible model, so great for when we're in Croatia in the summer, and they don't let you down. They never ever let you down. Lamborghini Huracans are one of the most reliable supercars, in my opinion, on the market, full stop. And they're very comfy when you've got the comfort seat option. So this is my new car for the Mega Run and for the Cannon Run season. And I can't wait. I cannot wait. Tomorrow, STROM Wheels are sending us some new shoes. 20s for the front and 21s for the back. STROM are our new wheel partner for the 2026 season. So we're going to be showing you the new wheels when they land and fitting them. They're 20s on the front and they're going to be 21s on the rear. So it's going to sit very pretty and probably quite aggressive as well, knowing STROM. So I'm looking forward to that. The car's already got a £7,000 Inconel exhaust system and it sounds absolutely incredible. So I'm going to show you a little bit around the car, do a cold start for you all, and then we will get these wheels on when they arrive in the post. New tyres can only mean one thing, because these are massive when I can find the size. Where is it? 325 25 ZR21s, and on the car currently are 305 30 20s. New wheels have arrived. STROM wheels, new wheel partner for the Cannon Run. They're very well known in the drifting, racing, track, street, and now supercars as well. So they've sent us a brand new set of wheels for the Hurricane, which we're going to fit on. So we need to take these tyres to the tyre shop. The wheels we need to go and collect from HQ and take them to the tyre shop. And then I need to whip the front wheels off and take them to the tyre shop to nick these tyres, because these tyres are the same size fronts as the new wheels. So let's load up and go. Sit, in, loaded, sort of. I'm right of here, let's go. So we are absolutely flat out. So the boys at the tyre shop in Telford said, drop the car up, Jay, we'll change them all over for you, save you doing it. So Lambo's parked there, wheels are in, and the boys are gonna do the job. So the next clip is hopefully gonna be this car looking all pretty. So, Lambo's at the tyre shop, and while we've been gone, dropping the wheels off, the Bentley's landed back from Bentley. Thank you very much, Bentley Birmingham. Fantastic service. Absolutely flawless. None of that McLaren rubbish. Reese is washing the car. All right, Reese? Oh, yeah. Reese is washing the car. We're going to get it in the unit. We're going to get these big bad boy wheels fitted, the boot spoiler put on, and maybe the front splitter if we've got time, but we'll have to see how the day goes. So fingers crossed, by the end of play, we'll have the Lambo back with the wheels on and the Bentley sitting pretty. And tomorrow, we've had confirmation that the special vehicle that I've been trying to buy for the last, you think 2 weeks, because I've been talking about it for 2 weeks, but I've been trying to buy this car for the last 2 years. They've just confirmed the deal. They've agreed the price. And tomorrow, we're going to hitch the 6x6 and the trailer up, and we're going to go and pick it up. And let me tell you, this is a poster car, guys, from our childhood, if you're age 30 to 35. Spectacular Italian engineering at its finest. So there she is, our new road trip car for the 2026 season, sitting pretty on STROM racing wheels. 20-inch on the front, 21-inch on the rear, giving it the more aggressive look. I don't think they're going to want to come off, to be honest. Talking to myself, spacers are on the car, but they've been on a while. I don't think they're going to want to come off easy, to be honest. And I'm working with very limited tools. Result. Bolts too long. Always something. So, after much messing around, getting centre caps off, old spacers and all the rest of it, the wheels are actually on and they look incredible. Next up, we're going to do the rear spoiler, and then maybe tomorrow we'll do the front splitter, but we'll see. Let's go. So this is just an add-on to the existing rear spoiler that lifts when you get to, I don't know, 50 or 60, and just gives it that little bit more kind of aggressive look at the rear. On, done, 2 minutes. Good really, aren't they, to be fair? Just to change the look of the car a little bit. Wheels done, rear spoiler's done. I'm done. Let's get these cars parked up and I'm getting off home. Tomorrow is Saturday and it's special car collection day. So, Escort won't start. Sean's active and on it. It's either going to be a great day with some easy fueling, or it's going to be a bad day and want something a little bit extra. Bentleys, Lambos, and then on to old Escorts. Great. So guys, that is the end of our working week at the Cannon Run. Lots of admin and catching up to do this week, in between trying to sort the Lamborghini, the Bentley, the show at Cheshire, and much, much more. Unfortunately, the special car that we were due to collect last week, which I got really excited about this week, is also still being held up. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, it's running lumpy, and I can't buy a car that's running lumpy. It needs to be corrected first. So we're waiting on the guy, and fingers crossed this week we'll be picking up that absolutely stunning Italian vehicle. So thank you very much for watching again, guys. Next week will be much more exciting. We've got some spring break planning to do. We've got to hit the road. The Lambo's done, the Bentley's done. There's much more to come. So thanks for the support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and you turn on notifications.